Hi guys, good morning. So it's 9 a.m. today and we're going to Molson to watch the ice fishing derby. Remy and Rome! Bye guys!
The Molson Ice Fishing Derby rolls around every January, and this year marks my second time attending. The excitement still hits just the same. The drive up started out foggy, but as we got closer to Molson, the sky opened up and the weather turned sunny and bright.
Oops. So before we head to the lake guys, let's have breakfast first.
We arrived at the Grange Hall around 10 and made our way to the pantry. Breakfast was prepared and served by the Molson Grange members who were all incredibly friendly. The meal was hearty, satisfying, and surprisingly affordable.
A few moments later.
After our meal, I wandered around the hall to check out the raffle prizes. Everything from fishing gear and camping essentials to baskets packed with necessities and gift cards, all thanks to generous sponsors and donors. A few locals were also selling handmade products, crafts, and other goodies. On our way to the lake, I couldn't help but admire the beauty around us. We parked the car and made our way to the frozen lake to see the participants in action.
It's slick. Eh. Ay! Puntik na ako guys. Hi everyone, so we're here at the Sidley Lake for the ice fishing derby. And so we have like 198 participants on this event. And maganda yung sikat ng araw ngayon guys. And so let's take a look kung paano nila ginagawa itong ice fishing.
Right.
Can I take a video?
Okay.
Did you put bread as well?
Yeah, the bread. Yeah, we chum a little bit with the bread.
Oh,
Peanut butter
okay.
jelly.
With peanut butter jelly?
Dump it in there after.
Yeah, I love peanut butter jelly. We just need to be careful in walking kasi slick siya and at the same time may mga butas. Binutasan nila tas hindi naman nila ginamit. Ayan. So, some of the participants are from neighboring towns and I just don't know if there are participants from other states. So this is the ice guys. Ayan. It is like 9 inches thick. So hindi naman siya magko-collapse or something. Ayan. Tignan nyo to guys. Oh, diba? Ang cute. Yan yung mga bata. Naghahanap kami kung sino na yung mga nakahuli ng fish. Kasi yung mga napuntahan namin is mga bokya pa. Medyo mailap yung mga fish ngayon guys. Ayan. Sobrang ganda lang ng weather. It's a very, very beautiful weather today. Actually, I have a fishing license din, pero I've never tried ice fishing. Mostly, ginagawa namin yung fishing kapag summer, mga ganon. Kasi nagka-camping kami. Expensive din yung fishing nila dito kasi lahat binibili, pati yung bait.
Yeah, it was like first thing in the morning, and then that was it. Let me like maybe I have to put them in the water.
Well, can I? No, I want you to hold them up.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wow.
Let's do it outside in the sun.
Mainit sa loob, guys.
Don't lose them. Look pretty, yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
That's funny. Actually, but so much better.
So that group, guys, bumiyahe pa sila from Spokane kahapon and dyan na sila natulog, dyan sa tent na yan. O, diba? Actually, yung sa loob ng tent na yan, may heater naman sila. Although malamig pa rin, pero yun nga. Tiis na lang para lang maka-attend dito sa ice fishing derby. Yung iba galing pa talaga ng state ibang state like Oregon. Yan. Yung iba naman from neighboring towns. Yan. Sana nag-enjoy kayo dito sa adventure natin for today. Kasi ako super enjoy ako. Kahit sobrang lamig. Naninigas na yung aking
You don't even have your filter.
naninigas na ang aking mga kamay. Pero go lang guys, go lang. For the content. May pakita ko lang yung annual event dito sa Molson, Washington. Ayan. So kung titignan nyo sa map yung Molson, it borders Canada na guys. Ilang hakbang na lang Canada na. Ayan. There's also prize for those who traveled the farthest to fish. Like we've met a while ago guys from Oregon. That's the farthest fisherman we've met. And someone told us that there's also a participant from Tennessee. So I don't know if we can find him. Let's see. We have the whole day to find him, guys. And look at the view. Nagpa-fog na siya.
Second fish I got today. The other one was a little bigger.
Yeah, put that one away.
8 ounces. This one was 8. The other one was 1 pound, 11 ounces.
So you might be able to run into the littlest fish,
That's what they said.
right? Right? Let's try that one too.
After connecting with some of the participants, we sang by this tent where all the catches are recorded. This board is where the checker keeps track of the leading entries.
Tapos na ang ating paglilibot sa ice fishing event. We're going back to the Grange Hall na, guys, and that is where the awarding happens. And ano pa ba? Let's have a lunch at the Grange Hall. And raffles, meron din mga pa-raffles doon. And it will be a fun event to witness. Bye, Sidley Lake. See you next year. Just. So we bought tickets, guys. And let's see if we have a luck. Sana pala rin.
So that concludes our ice fishing derby. So I won 2 prizes for the raffle kanina. Ayan guys. I wasn't able to take videos kasi ako yung taga-picture kanina ng mga winners. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye-bye!